Hi everyone, Adrian here from Dogmouth Harcourts in Wollongong. Just another segment today of How's the Market, and I want to talk to you about buying an investment property. Now, in my industry, where people ask me all the time, especially buyers of course, and landlords and everyone that I come into contact with, they're more or less saying, look, you know, Adrian, is there a good investment out there? Let me know what to buy. And they're asking my advice. And look, to be honest with you, when I delve deeper into, yield, and I mention words like return on investment and things like that, most common, mums and dads and everyone out there wanting to invest in property, I get the feeling they really don't know that much into it. I mean, basically their ideas are, if I own an investment property and it's rented out, I'm an investor. Now, I don't want to go into specifics today in terms of, ROI and all these sorts of things. I'm not a financial planner or advisor or anything like that, so that's my disclaimer. But I wanted to make a point today of just telling you about an opportunity which I think, in terms of real estate terms, there are fantastic opportunities right here, right now, in these uncertain times about the property market and all the rest of the garbage that goes along with it. There are opportunities now, and I just want to make a couple of points which are really just more along the lines of dollars out and dollars in. Okay, to put it simply, I went through our list of properties for sale and I found 6 or 7 properties that meet this criteria that I'm talking about. And it really is a question that every investor should ask themselves is, how much is coming out of my pocket each week or each month to pay for this investment property? Meaning that if I'm borrowing money at a certain percentage, it costs so many dollars per week or per month to pay this property off. So how does that relate to how much rent I am receiving or potentially receiving from the property? So I went and picked out a couple of properties, but I just want to mention one. Of course I'm going to mention my own because I'm a real estate agent. But anyway, that aside, I picked out a property that's in Farnborough Heights, a nice suburb of 10 minutes out from Wollongong, a 3-bedroom house. It is currently rented at $370 a week, and it's on the market at $320,000. Now, what I worked out is that if you had the total rent for the year divided by the property's price, that's around a 5.7, 5.8% return on your money. Now, if you're borrowing money at the bank, remember, at 5.6, 5.75%, well, it's a no-brainer. That property will pay itself off with little to no money out of your own pocket. Now, that's not just one example. There are many examples. And the point I'm trying to bring across to you today really is that if you've ever thought about investing, I would tell you that it's a good idea to start looking at this time of the market. When everyone else is trying to get out or just sit on the fence, there are bargains galore out there at the moment. And when I say bargains, I mean the rent is higher than the sale price. Now, I've grown up in Wollongong all my life, and I remember very few times in my lifetime where the rents have been so much higher than the actual asking price of the property. Now, this could mean that there could be a price correction in years to come. It could be this year, it could be next year, it could be the year after. But the rents are going up and up and up, and the property prices have sort of stayed the same. Now, that's not going to be that way forever, so now's the time. There's my hot tip today, and if you need any more help or hints about property or buying an investment property, give me a call or send me an email. Feel free to go to my website, www.adrianzamico.com.au. Chat to you soon.